Hi, my name is Krista Hawley, and this is my Diversity Book Review. The first book that I selected is My Friend Isabel by Eliza Woolison. Its age level is pre-K to third grade. This book tells a story about the friendship of two children named Isabel and Charlie. Although the two children are alike in some ways, they are also different. Isabel has Down syndrome. The two children can run, play, dance, and slide together. Isabel can do most of the same things as Charlie, although it may take her longer. One cool thing about this book is that it is a true story. The author, Eliza, is actually Isabel's mother. She wrote this book to teach other children about Down syndrome. This book teaches children about friendship and that we are all special. It opens up opportunities for discussion about what makes each of us different. Here are some illustrations from the book. In the first picture, you can see that Isabel is shorter than Charlie, but they still play together. There are two activities that I named that you could do alongside the book, My Friend Isabel. The first is a class discussion where students play a game that points out that everyone is different and special. The teacher will ask students to stand up when she calls out something that is true about them. For example, the teacher would say, "Stand up if you have freckles. Stand up if you have curly hair. Stand up if you like spinach." Students can discuss that no two are exactly alike. The teacher can then lead a discussion, asking students to name something that they appreciate about another student. Another activity that I named was using different shapes to create lamps. If the students are able, they may cut out their own shapes. If not, the teacher can pre-cut shapes. The students will create lamps by placing the different shapes together. They will glue their constructed lamps onto construction paper. The teacher will display student work. The class can then discuss how each lamp is different. Different sizes, one may be short, one may be tall, one may be missing pieces. But all the lamps have one thing in common: light. The second book that I selected is Going Home, Coming Home. The age level for this book is second grade to fifth grade. This book tells the story of a little girl named Amy Chai. Although Amy grew up in America, she takes a trip over the summer to her parents' homeland, Vietnam. Throughout the book, Amy questions how somewhere so foreign and different could be called home. Amy meets her relatives in Vietnam. She makes new friends and learns about the culture and daily activities in Vietnam. In the end, Amy realizes that her home is not a place, but a feeling that you have in your heart. The book has English and Vietnamese language, and the definitions and pronunciations are in the back. A fun fact about this book is that the author is actually from Vietnam, and this story was inspired from his trip back to his homeland. Here are some illustrations from the book. This book teaches many valuable lessons. It introduces Vietnamese culture to children and teaches them that it's normal to be afraid of new or unfamiliar places. Sometimes it just takes time to get used to new people or new places. In addition, it demonstrates that people can have more than one cultural identity. It shows that family relationships are important, and even if there is distance between family, the bond can still be strong. Lastly, it shows that home is not a place, but a feeling that you have in your heart. An activity that goes along with this book would be making dried bananas. In the book, the main character, Amy, discovers a new delicious snack in Vietnam, dried bananas. You could have students make and try dried bananas to go along with this book. Students can peel and slice the bananas, dip in lemon juice, and place on a baking sheet. After the bananas have baked, students will enjoy trying a food native to Vietnamese culture. The last book that I chose for my diversity project is Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match by Monica Brown. The age level for this book is kindergarten through 3rd grade. This book tells the story of a young girl, Marisol McDonald, who has bright orange hair and dark skin. At school, she becomes aware that she doesn't match the other students in her class. Her hair, her skin, her clothes, and style are all different. She even prefers to eat differently. To Marisol, peanut butter and jelly burritos are delicious. The way she draws, plays, and writes her name are also different. Marisol eventually accepts a challenge from her friend and tries to be normal, but she finds that conforming to others is boring and ordinary. Marisol learns to be true to herself and that it's okay not to match everyone. Here are some pictures from the book. The book teaches children that it's okay to be different. It's okay to have different clothes, different skin color, different hobbies, and different artistic styles. This book teaches the lesson of being true to yourself. In addition, it teaches nonconformity, self-expression, and cultural diversity. An activity to go along with Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match is It's Okay to Be writing an art project. In this activity, students will brainstorm about what makes them different or unique. They will write a paragraph about what makes them each different. Each essay will begin with It's okay to be. Students will then create a self-portrait alongside their writing. The teacher will display them in the classroom for all to view.